Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to share with you how to get a sharper jawline, how to get rid of double chin. And if you're thinking I'm on the chubbier side and I would never ever get that, that's totally wrong, because I'm also on the chubbier side and you can still be having sharper jawline with the things that I'm going to teach you today. So let's start. And do like the video, very important. Number one thing that you have to do is you have to start mewing. So when I am talking about mewing, you don't have to go far away. I do have a video on this one I did upload few months back. In that I did share with you what is mewing, how to do it properly, and in that you do even have this one product that can help you in mewing if you find it difficult to do, but it's the most important thing that you have to do for your jawline. Point number 2, now moving on to the facial exercises, and that is very important that you exercise the full face. Don't think that I will just target this area and you will be getting rid of the fat, because normally the ones who have lower half heavy are the ones who have a lot of water retention, who have a lot of puffiness on their face. So now let's start with the exercises. What you have to do is, very first thing I always recommend is tapping, that you have to do on your face, and that you can do on like you don't really need to apply anything. Just tap your face like this, improve the blood circulation. Tapping is very good. I did even make a full video on the tapping thing that you can be doing. You can tap your jaw area like this. I love tapping this chin area here. It will improve the blood circulation and start warming up the muscles here, because you don't want your muscles to cramp up. You always need to warm up. Then after that you have to basically work on these muscles here, because if they are strong, they can hold into this area and give you a better chisel look. First thing first, you're gonna keep your hands like this, look up and kiss the ceiling, not floor, kiss the ceiling. You can see these muscles working here, which will strengthen up and give you that chisel look. You can blow 15 to 20 kisses. Now after that, turn your head, tilt your head a little bit, and then look up again, and then again you blow the kisses. Come to the center, tilt your head again, look up and kiss again. This will not only work on these muscles, but it will also work on your jowls if you have second jowls or so. So for the second one, what you have to do is you have to twist your neck like that, look up, and you're going to close your mouth, and you will be touching your tongue to the roof multiple times. I'll show you how to do that. So like this. Basically you are touching your tongue to the roof many times, as I'm doing here right now. Then again twist the other side, look up, and with the tongue you're gonna push the tongue towards your roof. Then come in the center, look up, and again you want to push the tongue up towards the roof of your mouth. This you will be doing each side 30 seconds initially, and then eventually you can do one side each and 2 repetitions. Don't do more than that. You don't want to overexert your muscles, and you will see a lot of difference in your jawline. So number 3 you're going to do is face massages. I've already shared with you this morning face massage that you should do. This is very good for the ones who have a lot of puffiness or fat accumulation around your chin area. You can do that. And number 2 that you have to do are the lymph drainage massages. So for that, very simple, all you have to do, take a little bit of oil. You can take any oil. I'm taking Dave Herbs grapeseed oil. You can take any oil that you have, then apply this around this area like that. You do the lymph drainage which will help in all of the accumulation here. And then second thing that you're going to do is make your fingers like this and do massage like this. This will help in improving the blood circulation around your jawline. Then don't forget to bring everything down and drain it. You can in fact massage these points here, which is the acupressure point. And then you can do one more, which is also so good for your double chin. Pick up your skin from here if you have extra like this. This will help in drainage. And bring everything down here. Pick everything from here. Bring everything down here. Pick from here. Down. This is basically draining the extra lymph that you have around this area. So these are some of the things that you can be doing everyday basis, and you will be getting results for sure. And do like the video, very important. Do subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell, and I will see you in my next video. Take care. Bye.